Today's video is once again about a trading bot. So this is really about me setting up a $50,000 trading bot live with you. Not only that, we'll also be setting up a second trading bot. I'll also explain to you, based on my analysis, why I'm choosing these exact parameters and why I'm only starting the bot at a certain price level. And for everyone who might not know my channel yet, make sure to check it out. The very first video you see up here, 100% passive income on Autopilot. I've been doing this for almost 2 years now without ever having made a loss. Or you can check out the crypto trading bot tutorial playlist. There I also show in detail how it works. Of course, today we'll go through it all together again. As you can see here, over the course of a year, that would have been 42.17%, and all of that in the spot market. Personally, I do all of this only with Ethereum. You know, from my live stream and my other videos, that even during the last 70% dump in December 2024, we still consistently took profits here, even though this is a long strategy, right? I'll show you that in detail now in the video. By the way, this is just a back test. 52% have been generated here in the last 365 days with this type of trading bot. With an investment of 51,000 US dollars, which is actually the amount I'm going to invest here, that would have been just under 21,500 US dollars in profit. If I go in now and say, okay, let's do the chart session, then in the last 40 days, that's 2,300 US dollars. Of course, that doesn't sound like much, but we shouldn't forget that it's completely passive. While I'm sleeping, while I'm on the go, no matter what I'm doing, it's trading in the background and I'm basically safe here because I'm only doing it in the spot market. At least with this first bot. The second one will be leveraged as well. I'll show you that one later in the video too. Maybe just a quick explanation of how it works for those who don't know what I'm doing here with this strategy. The more Ethereum drops, the more often I buy in. In this case, every 0.7% drop, and I always take a 1% profit. And if you look at how often this has happened in the past, it actually happens all the time. And I also have live trading bots here. Is that in this area? No, sorry. In this area here, I already have some running. You can see, for example, this one has been running for 196 days and has generated 20%. This one has now been active for 23 days and has generated about 1.4% so far. We also had a longer sideways phase. That's why this one has been a bit weaker than the previous one lately. But overall, you could say 35 to 40% per year is achievable here, and that's in the spot market, and I'm basically safe here. Now let's quickly go over the settings so we can create the first bot, and I'll also show you in the background why I'm creating this one now, or rather, where my price trigger is, because I don't really need to do anything else. If you don't know this yet, you go to Trading Bot, then to Spot Martingale, and that brings you to this section. Here you can select Ethereum. My setting, I'm just going to click on copy down here. That's something you can do with the open bots. Then I already have everything set up in here. I set it to trigger every 0.7% price action down. I want it to buy back 50 times. My investment per purchase will now be 1,000 US dollars. This means that every time Ethereum drops by 0.7%, it will buy 1,000 US dollars worth of Ethereum in the spot market, and then accumulate for each subsequent buy order. So with each of these green lines you see here, it gradually accumulates the average purchase price. And as soon as the average purchase price goes into profit, even by just 1%, it closes the entire position and places another 50 new buyback orders below that. What we're going to do now, and this is something I personally do for myself, and I'll show you why in a moment, is I say that I don't want it to sell automatically when I close the bot, and I also don't want any reinvestment. I simply want my profits to be set aside like this and just stay there. Because even if the bot goes a bit into the negative later on, that is the open positions, I still have an overall profit. And it would really take a lot for the profit that has been set aside to actually go into the negative. And the next step, in this case, I'm also using the starting condition and not the immediate trigger. I want to have a price trigger here. Why? For what reason? Let's go back to the Ethereum chart now, and I'll show you something. Not only because I personally expect that we'll drop to a price of around 4,156 US dollars. I know people don't want to see or hear that. But just take a look at the liquidation heat map on the 1 month chart. It's just glowing here. There are billions of US dollars in liquidations of long positions lying all over the place here. And think back to the past. These were price ranges that almost always got taken out. And in this case, I just want to protect myself. I'm not just saying that I have a long position, because yes, overall I'm bullish. You can see here, I still have this 20,000 US dollars in profit on my Ethereum position, and I'm scaling this up exactly at this price of 4,140 US dollars, where I'll add more, and my current entry price is at 2,666 US dollars. So overall, I'm bullish, but I want to take advantage of these corrections, and we can take a look at that here as well. At Binance, right in this price range down here, you can see these liquidation clusters. In my case, since I'm doing this on Bitget, take a look at this. On Bitget, it's really heating up down here. exactly at 4,200 and a bit below that. That's a price range where I say, hey, that's super interesting for us to pick that up, and it's really not that far away anymore. And that's exactly the reason why I'm now saying with this trading bot, let's go back to the liquidation map here. I'm going to open my trading bot at 4,140 or rather 4,130 US dollars. And I'm specifying that here as the starting condition. So we'll set it to 4,130 US dollars. What's the good thing about that? The bot will only start at exactly this price. So if the price drops down here, then it will start and only begin working at that point. The second thing I'm doing now is the order reference, which I'm also going to show you here. If we start at 4,130 US dollars, and it then has the opportunity to buy 50 times, each at intervals of 0.7%, the last purchase will be made at 2,684 US dollars. And of course, it's reassuring to know that I have a wonderfully good average purchase price, which is around 3,100 US dollars if you buy everything. Of course, you could say, okay, I could just open a long position there. I do that as well, of course, but I simply have US Tether set aside. I've already realized some profits from crypto, which are just waiting to be reinvested into crypto. So why should I just let that sit there and not, yes, open a trading bot, which I've been running for almost 2 years now, and where I know it continuously brings me automated profits, basically without me having any headaches or losing sleep over being liquidated. And that's the reason. That means overall, the bot is now at 51,060 US dollars in this case, with all the parameters set up the way I always do it. What I didn't mention before is the seller termination, because I don't want to, well, why did I get rid of that? I don't want my Ethereum to be sold automatically when I close the bot, because if Ethereum drops that much, I want to have the option to keep it. I can show you this with this bot here. When I click on terminate here, I have the option to choose for myself. I sell my Ethereum manually, which means all the Ethereum I've bought, in this case 0.23 Ethereum, would simply be transferred to a spot account. Or I can say sell for me. But if I check this box here, it will be sold automatically right away. And I don't want that. Why do I do this on Bitget? On Bitget, I simply have the option in this case to increase the safety orders to up to 92, for example. In this case, I would now have to invest another 9,202 US dollars here. Or I can also say if I've bought a lot more and I think that in the future will rise much more than just 1%, where my take profit would be triggered, then I can simply say here, okay, I want to take profit only at 10%. And that's exactly the kind of options I have here. Or what I can also do, I can increase or reduce the position here. That means if I add margin here, I'm not just adding margin, but I'm actually increasing my position. Nothing else happens except that my average entry price and my average take profit price are pushed down, just like with compounding in a futures position. And that's exactly the option I have here as well. All right, that's basically it for the settings. That means I double check everything now, 0.7% down, 50 orders, here 1,000 US dollars, 1% take profit, and that's exactly how I want it. And now I click on create and then it gets started, yes. Not immediately though, because I have it set as a pending order here, since my target price hasn't been reached yet, but that's how it gets started now. If you're not on Bitget yet, I can only recommend you check out the link in the video description. You can also get a spot create voucher and a position voucher, each worth 200 US dollars if you use the link. You'll also get a VIP trial pass one. That means you have lower fees and you can use trading bots like the ones I use for yourself as well. Why here? Because you have no limitations on Bitget. When it comes to Martingale, or as they're called on smartphones, TCA trading bots, which we use in the spot or futures area. And this is my private account, which I always have on PIONEX. You can see here, I started this entire account with 700 US dollars around the same time when we launched those test trading bots I showed earlier with the funded account. But for example, in the last 30 days, 23% was added to the portfolio. We now have a total of 1,055 US dollars, all starting from 700 US dollars. And this is also what's currently running on grid trading bots. I also have some future TCA bots, which I'll show as well. Unfortunately, the futures TCA bots are not displayed here. That's really a shame for PIONEX. I hope they'll add that soon, because on the landing page that I'll have in the future where all the trading bots are shared, unfortunately, the future DCA bots won't be included. For some reason, they can't add them. But as a small example, in the past, as you can see from the history here, everything worked very well with the small bots, and I don't have many bots here. You can see here 4 bots, and even the current bots I have running are just 3 bots plus 2 future DCAs. And of course, past future DCA bots have now grown the account from $700 to 1,050 US dollars. And you can see that even with a small investment, you can still get something out of it. And I trade all of this with very, very low risk. And I actually do everything exactly as I showed you in the grid trading bot live streams, as well as in all the videos. I did the grid bot experiment, 50 versus 190 grids, and there was a clear winner. An incredibly interesting video if you haven't seen it yet. This is how you protect your grid trading bots and double your profit through hedging. The hedging works wonderfully, but above all, I recommend everyone to watch Grid Trading Bots Completely Explained if you're not familiar with it yet, so you really know how the setup works, what your risk is, and what your profit strategy should be. And accordingly, today, right here on PIONEX, we will open another grid trading bot together. Not one with a market order for immediate trading, but a planned one which is intended to be a swing trading bot within the grid area. And by the way, of course, none of this is investment advice. I'm just showing what I do. These are all just tests that I'm conducting for you. If you decide to copy this, it's at your own risk. So what is my approach here? I'm now using the futures grid trading bot here. I'm already in Ethereum here. And again, I'm sticking to my strategy. If you don't know this trading strategy yet, I've also covered it on my channel. It works every time. It's the simplest trading strategy and you're still not using it. We just have these incredible sniper entries here. Look, just take a look at this. Here we went long, or rather I did, and entered perfectly. We also have the other trade here, which is now well in profit, stop loss set to break even, but it's struggling a bit at the moment. But profits, or rather partial profits, have already been realized, and that's basically how it always goes. If we look at Ethereum now, I still believe that we're going down to 4,100. Nothing different than before, the liquidation zone is here as well, but I'm looking for a grid trading bot and want to have a range. I'm actually going to use exactly this price area down here as the range. If for some reason, we never know what will happen and I want to be prepared. I'm taking this low here where my 1.0 Fibonacci retracement is as well, which is at $3,358 US. That means $3,350 US will be my lower price range that I'm using. And my upper price range was $5,500 US. Then I go down and I don't do this arithmetically, I do it geometrically. Why? For what reason? We'll take a look at that in a moment, and now comes something I want to show you. Now let's say I want to invest $500 US. That's all fine as well, and now of course I have to specify how many grids I want to set up. And now PIONEX also gives you a suggestion, and if I click in here it says, use this many grids and you'll have 0.27% profit per grid. Sorry PIONEX, in this case, for my honesty towards the viewers about what I have here, because this is nonsense. 0.27% is not acceptable. Why? For what reason? I want to show you this again in a separate account. I'm going in here. Sorry, I have to go back further here, and now I'll show you something with my spot trading bots. I tested something. Among other things, that was also in the playlist, yes. That's how I came across it. Grid bot experiment. 50 grids versus 190 grids, a clear winner. Because the question often arises, should I use as many grids as possible, or is it maybe better to use fewer grids? And the clear winner was 50 grids. And if we look at this now, in the spot section where I have 10 grid trading bots running, with profit per grid ranging from 0.1% to 1%, you can see that 0.8% performed the best. And for all of you who have been watching my videos for a while now and are experiencing this test live, video by video, you can see here that 0.8% is simply the consistent winner. Accordingly, I would plan for somewhere between 0.7 and 0.9% profit per grid for a grid trading bot, and not like it is here now with 0.27%. Why not? Because the fees just eat you up. 0.27%. As a small comparison, and this might be interesting now, that would be exactly this range. That's 0.3%. That means I would have almost half or about half as much profit as if I used 0.8% here. Of course, the exchange would have benefited much more because they would have collected a lot more in fees. But in the end, it's about you, me, and all of us running these trading bots making the profits, not the exchange raking it in. That's why I'm just going to go down to 60 now. For many, that will probably sound like way too little, but it's 0.8%. And that's exactly how I want it so I can get the most profit out of it. Personally, I'm also not using the auto reserve now. All right, we've got that set up now. Yeah, I'm not using the auto reserve. Why am I not using the auto reserve? I can always add it myself later. The only thing I'm going to do now, so I don't get a bad entry price, because if I start now, and we shouldn't forget this, if I start a grid trading bot now, we'll be buying Ethereum at the current market price of $4,537 US, which will then be placed in the grids above for sale. So what you see here now is that every red line would mean Ethereum is bought at the market price, so it can be sold above. But now, as I mentioned earlier, based on the liquidation heat map, we're going down to $4,130 US, which also matches up very well with the Fibonacci level. That's why I'm entering $4,130 US here as the starting price. And that means the price first has to drop down here before this bot even starts. And that's exactly how I proceed. And now I can also see if I enter my investment of, let's say, $500 US, where is my liquidation price? $2,500 US. No, I now increase my leverage, let's say to about 5 times, and I have $3,121. That's fine for me. And I'll also leave out this margin for now. Yes, of course, I could add it. I can now say, add another $200, then my liquidation price drops. But I can also use this balance to put it into grid trading bots now, and only add it later when I actually need it. Because as you might know, if I now go to Futures Grid here to my open position and click on details, I can take out or add my extra margin at any time. And why should I put it into the bot now if it's more of a swing trading bot that's not even open yet and I can just add it later? So now you might be thinking, okay, earlier I set up a $50,000 trading bot and here it's only $500. The thing is, I don't have much margin left because most of it is tied up in trading bots for all the tests. This is just the funded account. As you saw earlier, I have my own account that I'm gradually building up. Later, you'll also see this as a test in a video showing how you can gradually build up a small account and what the results look like. We'll see, for example, if I enter $1,000 here, also 10,000, sorry, here it's 1,000. I don't have much margin left anymore. That's why we'll leave $500 here. Later, I'll also close other bots so that I have margin available again. And I could also increase it. All right, that's it for now. That means I'll go ahead and create it now. And this is my futures trading bot as planned. Exactly with these settings, just as I mentioned, so that we enter here at the liquidation zone. This matches up with the Fibonacci and you can now see it on the funded account, but I'll also set it up on my private account. And in the future, you'll also have the opportunity to follow my private account so you can see which trading bots are waiting here or are currently open. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not on PIONEX yet, I'd appreciate it if you used my link. You get $50 that you can use as a grid trading bot just by signing up and completing KYC too. And you also have a deposit bonus of up to $1,000, which you can use to open another futures grid trading bot. Otherwise, I would of course be happy if you left a like on my channel. We've finally broken through 15,300 subscribers and I'm trying to put out as many value-packed videos for you as possible, and we'll see each other again next time. Happy profits until then.